James, we've run out of track. It's not a good start, is it?
How do you run out of track? You're supposed to have 3 miles.
I know, it's not here yet.
Oh, for God's sake. It looks fantastic. It's slightly lacking in one important detail though.
The track.
Yes. Seriously, where is it?
Good man. Right, stay put.
It floated away when I wasn't looking.
Well, you might have to try and hook it.
It's too deep.